Hey beautiful creators, welcome back to my channel Crochet, where we explore the endless world of crochet. If you are looking to create stunning crochet baby frocks that are colorful and uniquely, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I am sharing over 1000 ideas for crochet baby frocks with different colors, designs, patterns that you can make for any occasion. Let's get these hooks ready and dive in. Let's start with color combination. Whether you are into pastels, bold hues or neutral shades, they are the perfect palette for every crochet baby frocks. Try vibrant summer colors like coral, teal and sunflower yellow for a bright bold look. For a softer touch, pastel shade like blush pink, mint green and lavender. Now mix up your petals, play with strips, ombre fades or color blocking. One of the hottest trends right now is using multicolored yarn to give your tops a unique, almost watercolor effect. Don't be afraid to experiment. Let your personality shine through your color choices. Now let's talk about style. Whether you are crop, baby or halter necks, crochet have endless possibilities. Try a cute baby frog or baba frog for relaxing days. Speaking of design, here are a few crowd favorite: granny skirt, measure open stitch or floral crochet. Want to make your baby frog truly one of a kind? Here how to add some personal flair to your crochet baby frogs. You can add fringe or hem, or try adding beads or ribbons to your stitches for a bit of sparkle. And don't forget about adjustable tie backs for a more tailored fit. Remember, crochet is all about creativity, so let your imagination run wild with different shades, texture, and details. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to keep your mind in when you're creating your crochet baby frog. Gauge your yarn and hook size. Don't be afraid to mix yarn types. And finally, always keep a notebook handy to sketch new ideas as they come to you. So, whether you are looking to create something bold, delicate, or totally original, the possibilities for crochet baby frog are endless. From vivid colors palettes to playful patterns and custom embellishment, you can easily make your baby frog that reflects your personality style. That's it for today's video, creator. I hope you are living with tons of inspiration for your next crochet top project or baby frogs. If you love these ideas, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crochet magic. Also drop a comment below with which style you are excited to try next.